Good morning, sir, and my dear friends. My name is Roshan Kumar, and I am from BCPP third year. My ID number is 5952, and now I am going to show my PPT that is based on my project, that is NGO management system. And this is my first slide. And there are 4 members in my group. First is Roshan Kumar. His name is Roshan Kumar, and his role is documentation and testing. And second member is Rahul Kumar. His role is a front-end developer. And third member is Dhirendra Kumar. He covered a back-end developer. And third member is Nakib Nirala that cover our analyzing part. And now coming to my next slide, that is my presentation outline slide. There are various outline of my presentation, that is the tools and technologies, software users, introduction, proposed system, feature of project, DFD, ER diagram, and then conclusion. We use front end as we use Java Swing and Java, and in back end we use Tenji Oracle, and there are 2 tools to use IDE, that is NetBeans.IDE and Microsoft IDE. Using these tools, we create a project for NGO management system. And now I am going to invite my next member, that is Nakib Nirala, to continue this PPT.
Good afternoon, sir, and my dear friend. My name is Nakib Nirala. My ID is 5972. My roll number is 12. My topic is what is NGO. NGO is NGO are non-profit organization that operate independently of governments and dedicated to independently of social and economic development, improving people's lives.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity to continue this PPT. I am Rahul Kumar, a student of BCA third year. My ID is 5966, and this is our login page, in which you can, if you are a new user, then you can register here, and if you already registered, then you can simply log in through this page. And after login, you will find out the home page of the website of this application, and here are many options and many modules. Like you can check here the number of the employee, how many employees are in the NGO, and also you can check here from the number of the doctor and donor and volunteer. And there are many options like food distribution, medical camp, and vaccine and emergency facilities are available in this NGO management site. And here you can see all these module like employee and doctor donor details and volunteer supply terms and event details of the project. And this is the employee page of our application. Here you can see there is a search option and add employee, update and delete of information. Through this page you can see all the employee here, and if you want to add the employee, then you can click here, and if you want to update any information, you can also update the information from this page. And if you want to add the employee, on clicking this button, you will see the interface for adding the employee. After adding this, you will get all the details of the employee. And this is our doctor page. Here you can also, this is also same interface like the employee page. Here you can also see here this search page and add the doctor, and you can also delete the doctor. And here also you can see the interface for adding a doctor. And after this, we have also a donor page. This is also having the same interface like the previous page, and you can also add or delete the donor from this page. And we have also created the page for the interface for the donor. And this is the volunteer page, in which you can also search the volunteer and add and see the information of the volunteer who is in this NGO system. And this is our supply details, means what our NGO provide for the people. Here you can see there are 4 options in our NGO. The first is a food item, and the second is emergency, and third is a health product, and fourth is vaccine. These all things our NGO provides. And this is the event page, in which you can schedule any event through which our NGO organize. And this is the account. This is the last page of our project. This is the account page. Here you can see all the details of the employee that works in our NGO or includes in our NGO. So thanks for this presentation. And now I like to call the next Mr. Dhirendra to continue this PPT.
Thank you, sir, and my dear friends. I am Dhirendra Kumar and from BCA third year from CMEG Group of Institution, and I am presenting presenting also in database like table, register table and volunteer table, register table, volunteer table, and also in the same of vaccine and food distribution. NGO management system can be provided in multiple facility like doctor, donor, food distribution and etc. This is my event table and doctor table and doctor emergency. That is my expenses table, and my topic is DFD and DR diagram. DFD is a flow of data in information system, and that is my project. This is my DFD diagram. It is flow in data in my project. That is login admin through NGO management system, doctor, donor, volunteer, and event then log out exit. This is my 0 level ER diagram, and this is my entity and entity login to admin, and also in employer, doctor, donor, and volunteer. And that's all. This is my classical model diagram. Classical model diagram can be presenting project process, presenting my project progress report, and that is information system and system requirement analysis, design and coding, testing and implementation.